Hello, welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars. This is instrument number 104 and it is a triple O. Actually it's an OM because it's a 14 fret to the body long scale. It's a Torrefied Adirondack top and Brazilian Rosewood back and sides. The bridge is Brazilian Rosewood as well. The fingerboard is African Blackwood, which is a rosewood. African Blackwood is as good as Brazilian Rosewood. It's such a nice wood. The bindings are Ebony, the neck is Honduran Mahogany. The nut and saddle are bone. The bridge pins are non-slotted Ebony bridge pins. And, well, I'll just do another video on all that. I won't bother going into it. It's got an Anthem pickup, a simple rectangle for a butt strip. And it's got a segmented back inlay. The headstock is where it gets even more interesting. Actually, before I get to that, the fingerboard has a Michael Bashkin style position markers, which are on the face and then they're on the side as well, sort of one marker. And they're in Bloodwood, and the 12th fret has a little mother of pearl stripe in there. The tuners are Rodgers tuners. Really beautiful tuners with black mother of pearl buttons and some engraving. The back is also got a Brazilian rosewood veneer, and the face has a Brazilian rosewood plate, and it has a inlay of a koi fish that I did. The koi inlay is mother of pearl, and then I engraved the mother of pearl, and then I airbrushed colour into it and painted some colour into it, and then painted some silver kind of accents. I think that's all I did. Looks good. I actually hate doing inlay, but I managed to fly by the seat of my pants and get the job done when I'm asked. The frets are nickel silver, and they're 90 thou wide by 50 thou tall, which is a taller. Normally frets are about 37 to 43, but I went for the taller ones. I like the extra mass. The fingerboard is 16-inch radiused, as is the saddle and all that sort of thing. Has an elegant little volute just in front of the nut, which is where I like to finish them. So when you're in first position, you can't actually feel that the volute's there. I don't like that feeling of touching a volute on the back of my hand. So, sound sample. I'm just going to improvise some playing. The guitar is way better than my playing, but yeah, I'll do my best. The microphone that I'm using is a MXL 900 condenser mic, big condenser mic, that thing. And I'm not an audio engineer, and might be boomy, I don't know. I think sound samples on the internet are dumb, but I do them anyway, just to have the record. So here we go. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show and tell and the playing. I'll see you in the next video. Someone's here, so I've got to go. Bye.